Here's a 2018 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Ecotec 3 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, entertainment system with Blu-ray, Apple CarPlay, heated steering wheel, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Cadillac is driving the world forward. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.